Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. I'm checking out this Bob and Brad foot massager. So there's a few things, there's few things that are more relaxing than a nice foot massage. Let's check this out. We'll be testing this out and just see how nice this is. It has a few different features here. Okay, slide this out of the box here. It's convenient, it all came out in the bag there. Okay. Oh wow, this one looks pretty nice. I like the sleek look here. Has our little plug-in cord there. And that's about all we need. So it looks like we got low, medium, and high for the kneading intensity, and then low, medium, high for air pressure, low, medium, and high for heat. And then a couple of different air modes there as well. So it's pretty cool. It's on the power button. It's pretty sweet. Okay, let's see how long this cord is. I'd like to show that. Let's first check this out real quick. What is this? Goes in the bottom. Oh, nice. So you can elevate it a little bit if you need to. So this can go into the bottom of the massager here. And that allows us to kind of just adjust the angle if necessary. Also on the bottom we have these nice pads, so it's not going to slip around on the floor. That is cool. Let's see, place your feet downward for best experience. This looks really sweet. Can't wait to try this out. Comes with this cool little remote as well. Anyways, let's see how long this cord is. Pretty important, I guess. I hate running like extension cords for things like this. Okay, so it's just about 6 feet long. So that is nice long one. So if you're sitting on a couch or something, you should be able to reach a plug in from there. Anyways, let's go test it out. I've tried out a few different brands of massagers. This is the first one I've seen that has like adjustable heat temperature. So that's pretty sweet. Let's go take this thing for a test drive, shall we? All right, friends, well, it's been a few days and I've been using this regularly and I just really enjoy it. It's a super nice massage, very relaxing. I mean, after a long day of work, just slip your feet in there and enjoy a really nice customizable massage. It has 4 different pressure settings. It has 3 different heat settings. It has 3 different massage settings and also like the air setting. So you can the intensity levels are very nice. They're definitely noticeable. The max intense with all the lights on is just a very tight massage. I really like a really intense massage that squeezes down a lot. And of all the foot massagers I have reviewed, this one definitely has the most customizability and like the strongest intensity so far. So I really like that. The remote is a nice touch. It's line of sight, but that's okay. You can kind of see what the settings are, and it's easy to see in the dark with the little lights that light up, so it's very convenient. Yeah, my sons, they both love this as well, and my wife too is just a really good foot massage. My feet are 10, and I wear size 10.5, and they fit in here perfectly. There was no, I'm not sure exactly what size fits in there, but it seems like there's more room for larger feet, so just to be aware of that. But yeah, all in all, my friends, this would make a great gift. We're probably going to gift this to somebody, and I'm pretty sure they're going to enjoy it. This is, if you haven't had a foot massage from like one of these massagers, they're really nice, and I highly recommend it, my friends. It's just really enjoyable and relaxing. Also does seem to help out too, like your feet aren't as like sore after they get a nice massage. So anyways, my friends, if you want to check it out, I'll link this in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.